Hey folks, some more progress tonight. Got my timing gear on, torqued down to 45 foot-pounds. Got my oil pump installed. And I got the engine turned over the right way. Installed the brand new hydraulic lifters. And then I put the, whatever you call that, little cover thing on. I'm going to hold off now because I have a new gasket set on the way. So I'll put the new intake manifold gasket in there and then put the new intake manifold on. Replace my rockers and everything, put the rocker covers back on, then I'll flip it upside down one more time, put the oil pan back on. You can see my drill over here. I did prime the oil pump tonight just to run some oil through the system, push out any little flakes of debris or anything that were in there. It actually worked pretty slick. Got my coffee can full of oil up against the pickup, spun the oil pump counterclockwise with the drill, and oil started coming out everywhere. So, think we're good there. So once I get that all back together, then I guess the next step's going to be trying to fit it back into the hole over there. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, all that jazz. Throw some comments on here, give me some moral support, help the algorithm, trying to grow the subscriber base here. So if you can help me out with that, that'd be great. Should be a fun one. Thanks.